let me show you 7 small businesses you can start with less than $100 and be able to turn your less than $100 into $1,000 to $10,000 business per month. This is a small business you can start from home. Most importantly, you don't need much because it's an online business, a digital business that you can literally do from anywhere at all with low investment. Now, business number 1 that you can literally start right now, and you are going to invest little to nothing in starting this particular business. The number 1 business is freelance writing, right? This is a very lucrative business and highly sought after. Like people who can craft compelling content for other people's business websites and to talk about product or even novels. If you can write really good, then this business is for you, right? You will literally be able to start this business with little to $50, and you can choose to start it without anything at all, but just want to put something on it to make it more professional. Then you just put about $50. And what are you putting $50 for? Just for your website hosting, in case you want to look professional, but you don't really need that, because you can go to places like Fiverr, Upwork, and literally put your information out there on the platform, and you can start getting these particular jobs, and you'll be doing them from home without even your own website. But if you just want to spend something for a professional website, why not? You can go and have your own professional website with about $50 only. Potential earning for this business is anything around $1,000 to $5,000 per month if you can write real good. Now, how can you go about this business? First thing you need to do here is to make sure that you have a dedicated portfolio that literally show everything that you can do and samples of the job that you've done before. And even if you've not had any other experience, it does not matter, because you can literally be able to write and let people know that you can do this stuff, right? Then attract high-paying clients and turn your words into wealth by attracting these clients. That is literally what you need to do. If you can write well, then you'll be able to talk to people properly in a way that they will give you the job, right? Now, second business you can do right now and literally convert $0 to $50 into $1,000 to $7,000 is you go into social media management. Social media management transforms businesses online with creative strategies, right? You know different ways to approach business. You know how to position products and services online that will attract clients and thereby helping the person make money. Why not? If you can do that, this business is for you. Like, you don't even need to have a website for this. You can literally go to the social media platforms and advertise what you can do. Now, one thing you can, maybe if you want to spend something, you can spend on marketing tools, right? Or maybe on a course. And anything around $50 is okay for you to spend. You don't need to spend a fortune trying to get a course as a beginner, right? And you can be able to earn anything around $1,000 to $7,000 per month if you know what you are doing. If you can do this properly, then this is what you can earn. And you can even check the sample amount on Fiverr and Upwork and all these job websites. You will see that people are making this amount of money, right? So how do you go about this? All you need to do is to use creativity and strategy to grow people's brand, right? Help them grow their brand and your own bank account will grow. It's as simple as that. So you can start right now without investing heaven and earth in order for you to start this business. Is handmade crafts, right? Handmade craft business is very lucrative. If you can create beautiful handcrafted items that customers cannot resist, then you'll be able to start making money with this, right? All you need is to invest around $0 if you already have some of the stuff. If you don't have them, you can invest to $50 to $100 to get some materials that you can start creating your handcrafted items. This can be anything, clothes, shirt, bag, anything at all that you can make with your hands. It's gonna fetch you a lot of, as you can see, the earning potential here is pretty good. Anything around from $1,000 to $6,000 is possible per month. All you need to do is to use minimal supplies to create unique products and sell them online, especially on platforms like Etsy. That is where you get to sell this type of products and they sell very well. The next business you can start right now is tutoring services. Now, tutoring service is not something that is new, right? This has been for long. When it comes to tutoring students, all you need is to help students excel with your knowledge and a computer. If you can teach students math, English, chemistry, anything at all that somebody needs to learn, You teach them, you just need your own laptop, and that is all. Now, for you to start this, you need to be able to start from $0 to $50 for some of your online tools, and perhaps maybe some adverts that you might need to start this particular business. You can earn from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on the people you are teaching, the kind of skill you have, and your target audience, right? And how you offer this service is you need to offer this service as a lesson online to help students to learn what they need to learn so that they can succeed in their areas of discipline. And that is the goal here. And this is something very, very good. Number 5, business you can start right now with $0 to under $100 and turn it to $10K per month is pet sitting and dog walking. Now, some of you will be shocked, but this is a very good one. People who have dogs, big dogs, usually don't have time to be taking these dogs around because they walk, obviously. Now, they need somebody else that will help them take this dog for a walk so that the dog can be agile and strong. And that is where you come if pet and dog walking is your stuff, right? So you can just offer peace of mind to pet owners, help them to love their pet, walk the pet, take care of the pet, and these guys will pay you handsomely. All you need to do is to advertise that this is what you do, and pet owners will be able to locate you in your vicinity, in your environment and your local area. They will be able to reach out to you and give you this job. You can be earning from $500 to $5,000 depending on the type of client you have, the service you're going to be rendering to them, and of course with the value you bring to the table. Now, how you go about doing this is to spend your days playing with pets and earning steady income. That's all you do. Play with them and earn a stable income. Business you can start right now. Business number 6. This is very good. This has been around for quite some time now. Drop shipping, where you get to sell products without ever handling any inventories, right? You collect money, send the money to who is going to handle all the whole stuff. The person is going to take care of the inventory, send the product to your client, and you get paid. In fact, you are not the one getting paid. You actually pay people after taking out your own profit from it. That is drop shipping. This can cost you from $50 to $100 for the website and marketing that you need, right? If you are hosting your drop shipping on Shopify, you will pay about $25 per month, right? You can earn from $1,000 to $10,000. I mean, you can go to online and see these drop shippers, how they are flaunting money, showing how they are making so much money online drop shipping products. And it's something you can do as well if it's something you love. Now, all you need to do is to set up an online store and master the art of online retailing. And of course, with some basic knowledge of marketing and advertisement. If you can do this, you'll be able to start a flourishing drop shipping business. Last but not the least is digital products. This is the la creme de la creme of online business. You have a digital product. It can be a book, a course, printable, anything at all that can provide value to other people. It can be what they can learn from or something that can entertain them. This is the best of the best. It will cost you $0 to $50 for a start, for your designs, for tools, or for the platform you're going to be hosting your products, right? And you can earn from $1,000 to $10,000 creating and selling digital products online. This is the best. And as a matter of fact, if you want to know what digital product fits you the most, what digital products you would like to get started with, and you are interested in starting, click the link where you get to book a one-on-one call with me. Let's discuss for free, and I'll get to speak to you, understand what you're into, and then give you a piece of my advice of what I think is best for you to go into. And I'll do that for you for free, just to encourage you to get to start your own business. What you need to do when it comes to this is just you turning your ideas, right, into digital products and sell them all around the clock without even needing to go provide an extra service or doing the stuff over and over. It just sells and make you money on autopilot. That is the beauty of digital products. So guys, this is it. This is how you can go from $0 to $100 and turn it into $1,000 to $10,000 per month doing this stuff from step 1 to step 7. You want to learn how to start your own business, or you are thinking about business to start with, hit the link below, book a one-on-one call with me. Let's discuss. Let me help you out and see what business is best fit for you to start, and I'll do that for you for free. See you in the next video. Bye bye.